As a matter of fact, हुआ था या नहीं हुआ?
नहीं हुआ.
As a matter of fact,
we leave it to him.
Opposite हुआ. They said, sir, again, if I have 10 minutes, this cat will.
नहीं, as a matter of fact बता दें.
As a matter of fact, their form said we belong to PTIN.
So did they file this party certificate?
Sir, मैं अभी 1 minute में आ रहा हूँ.
जी आ जाए.
Their form said 24 तारीख का form कहता है I belong to PTI.
ठीक.
I will give my party affiliation certificate by the 13th, which they're allowed to. On the 13th, they come and they say they submit a party affiliation certificate of PTIN. Then on the same day, they say, no, we gave this in good faith. Please return this to me. And I will now read the learned counsel. Return this to me and give me the symbol for an independent candidate.
Did they give you party affiliation certificate of PTI? Simpliciter? No.
Oh, never, sir. I का तो PTI simpliciter जो है, उसका मैंने कभी party affiliation certificate with their nomination form नहीं देखा हुआ. I'm making this statement.
सिकंदर,
देखिए मेरा
सिकंदर, I have a question.
अगर इधर देखिए, here he is not.
There's a lot of murmurs happening here, so I'm getting a bit distracted.
अगर वो PTI का वो symbol या जो भी whatever form you call it, if it had been, I understand it was not filed, but if it had been filed, that would have sufficed. Why not?
No, my lord, it would only have sufficed if then, in accordance with law, that was a valid application and
how can you respond on behalf of Election Commission? It is for the Election Commission to decide whether that on. You see, these are. Let the Election Commission, if this situation comes before election, let them decide. आप देखें, आप वो बात करें जो Election Commission ने की है. आप अपने opinion Election Commission को substitute नहीं कर सकते.
My lord, I'm being asked a question by a learned judge of the Honorable Supreme Court of India.
बिल्कुल.
By the Supreme Court.
फाइल नहीं हुआ. बोले जी ये नहीं हुआ. जब होएगा हम उसे देख लेंगे.
खत्म, आगे बढ़.
आगे चल.
सिकंदर, I have a question. जी. On the 13th तक उन्होंने अपने आप को डिक्लेयर किया PTI. 13th को इस कोर्ट की जजमेंट आ गई. Is that correct?
13th की है जजमेंट.
Now they had no other option. उन्होंने PTIN के. Now there is something which is publicly known to everyone. There was a controversy that PTIN chaps were kidnapped allegedly.
My lord, I have no knowledge of this controversy. It's not on the record. It's not been pleaded.
Please will you let me complete? Please will you let me complete?
The Honorable Chief Justice,
please will you let me?
It is not what I know. It is what I can prove through record.
Please will you let me complete?
And I am now taking refuge in Mr. Justice Yahya Afridi's guidance to me.
Please will you
my lord, I will answer the questions which are direct.
You see, listen to the question.
You are representing a constitutional body vested with the duty to conduct elections honestly, fairly. And अब सुन लेना जरा मेरा सवाल complete होने दे. Why do you become? You are representing the Election Commission. You can't be adversarial.
I'm constantly reminded of that.
Why have I asked you this question? That controversy had arisen. There were press conferences. The entire Pakistan saw that. Did the Election Commission, in accordance with its duty, inquire why it had happened? Or was it not its duty?
My lord, I will take the formulation which I just learned with utmost respect and not answer. I am not obliged to answer that question. It's a theoretical question. And I am not aware of the facts which I would need to be aware of in order to be able to answer that.
99.
And nothing which substantiates the facts in my lord's question is on record. And finally, just as a side, as a citizen of this country, I didn't see any press conference personally, for instance. I solemnly say this. Others
so I take this answer that the Election Commission,
my lord, I said I am not giving an answer,
refuses to take the responsibility of any illegality allegedly even happening.
My lord, I will now read formulation 4 with utmost respect, and I've noted my lord's observation.
Can I just ask a question here? जो आप कह रहे थे party affiliation certificate 13(1) तक नहीं आया, But उससे पहले 22-12-23 को आपका order तो था ना, in which you said that PTI cannot get the election symbol because it didn't conduct its election. So after that, वो party affiliation certificate कैसे लाएंगे? ये issue litigation में चला गया है.
Which I'm repeatedly being asked.
No, you're not repeatedly answering.
In some
Please answer.
shape or form.
आप सुन रहे सवाल?
Leading me to a certain answer, and all that I can say I have said.
Can you please hear the question? I'm simply saying that on a factual plane, you are saying that this certificate never came. So in terms of the facts, I'm just asking that, is it that it never came because of an order of the ECP itself? How else, why would they be giving you
I'll answer this question partially. No one files a party affiliation ticket on the 24 by the deadline for nomination papers. It is filed on the 13th after the list. Ladyship, देखें वो exact example जो I've forgotten, there's so many learned judges here. When I was asked A, B and C parties thing, I think Mr. Justice Aminuddin said, वो process खत्म होगा तो party, there may be 15 candidates for a party ticket.
ये मेरा question नहीं है.
But I have answered. That was
आपका order.
It was not because of my order. It is not done under the law. It is not the practice, and it is not filed at that time. So
your order
based
is
on
of
that,
no consequence. 22-12 का.
देखें ये this is a separate question altogether, ladies.
That's my question. I am asking you. You are saying on a factual plane.
I will answer.
That they did not file anything. So I am just writing the facts down, and I'm trying to see that is it because of the order.
Then I'll take a position. No. It wasn't.
How would they file it in view of your order?
My ladyship, I'm being taken again to the same. I mean, if the bench wants me to say something, why doesn't the judge concerned, just honorable judge, just ask me to just say it through my mouth?
No,
but I will not.
I think that's a very unfair statement.
And it's a very inappropriate way of responding.
Ladyship,
I'm sorry, but that's not.
Ladyship, I'm being like. I think I'm seeing what's happening here. Formulation 4 then. There is no lawful basis in the facts and circumstances of the titled appeal for any reserved seat for women or non-Muslims to be left vacant. The Constitution does not envisage nor permit this. The seats, and my lord, the next formulation is basically that there is no occasion for answering this question because the seats have been allocated in accordance with the Constitution to the parties which are entitled to it. This is with utmost respect, misnomer or misconception. Number one, this expression has been used. There was a reallocation. That's absolutely factually incorrect. There was an allocation in two parts, yes. Was a reallocation implicitly includes that first some seats were allotted to party A and then taken out of the maths and allocation of party A and given to C, B or Z. That never ever happened.
नहीं ये बात ठीक है इसके असल खराबी वहीं से पैदा हुई
जी
उस वक्त कुछ
so that kind of gave rise to confusion but it is not a reallocation and I will take ladyship to the maths because ladyship asked how the maths is done. The maths works when these two allocations अगर आप इनको separately देखेंगे even then they'll be absolutely correct. And अगर आप उनको मिला के देखेंगे the maths will reconcile also.
बात आपकी ठीक है असल में एक वक्त में कुछ रोक ली सीट्स उसी से कंफ्यूजन सारा पैदा
सर ये कंफ्यूजन हुई है मैं इसीलिए सिर्फ क्लैरिफाई कर रहा हूँ कि this concept of reallocation introduced in pleadings or oral submissions by the appellant.
Shouldn't you have done it at one go?
को allocate कर
Sorry sir.
Shouldn't you have done it at one go?
My lord, the only difficulty was yes it should have been done in one go and why wasn't it done? This is the further because on the 21st...
Can you go back, Mike?
Sorry. On the 21st, my lord, 6 to 9 applications were received. First, my lord, between the 21st and... Let me just give the exact dates. My lord, from the... My lord, I beg your pardon. From the 19 to 2024, से लेके 21/2/2024 the SIC submitted 6 letters. And I would like to read those letters. They are not Form 66s from any stretch. Received 6 letters simply conveying that X number of
Can we see
members.
one specimen?
Ji.
Page 92 पे है मेरा.
Ji, my lord, page 100 to 110.
90 पे 90 पे आइए.
90 वो उनके
मेरी फिर इंडेक्स खराब हो गई.
मेन अपील इसे पेज पे जी.
My lord, I'll just verify because
मेन
now.
अपील पे पेज 92 है.
3 में पेज 90 पे है.
जी, सर मैंने भी लगाए हुए हैं और उन्होंने सारे नहीं लगाए.
आप बता दें.
मैंने 6 लगाए हैं.
बता दें.
My lord, my note says it's at page 100.
Page 100.
Sir.
I think your note is correct.
जी जी. 100.
Can you read one letter?
Sir, bilkul. These are the 6 letters that we received. So this is the.
Are they identical?
No, my lord. There's a nuance in them, and I'll read 2 to show the nuance. Then they're largely similar. So this is the very first letter, my lord. It is addressed by the chairman of the appellant to the Election Commission of Pakistan. My lord, I'm waiting to see if it's before my lord the Chief Justice.
It is.
Can I start reading it?
Posted the
Pen या कोई चीज मांगो.
post it.
Subject: joining of independent MNAs into SIC and reserved seats.